Hi all and welcome back to Next Stitch Designs with me Sylvia. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet this very easy infinity scarf or neck warmer. So for today's infinity scarf, I was using tweed aran yarn or worsted weight yarn. As you can see, it's looking amazing with this tweed yarn. But I don't have a label for this yarn anymore as I'm reusing this yarn from my different project. So all I remember was that I was using the same brand, it's just the name of this yarn was the tweed yarn. So I used around 300 grams. So in ball like this, which was exactly the same one, I had 400 grams or 660 meters. So I used around 300 grams for this infinity scarf, and I still have a little bit left. So for this video I'll be using this gray one so you can see better on the camera. So with this yarn I'll be using 5.5 millimeters hook. You will need a pair of scissors, a tape measure, and a yarn needle. So as you can see, my infinity scarf in measurements, let me just give you measurements. In measurements, when you fold it like so, will be around 25 times 2 because we had it folded like so, will be about 51 inch long, like all the way around, as you can see. And the width is around 6 inches. So for 6 inches width, I use around 300 grams. If you want it wider, of course you will need more yarn. So if you have one of these, you would use whole ball to make it even wider. So for this 6 inches wide, I use around 300 grams, and I still have a little bit left, so I may do headband as well. And for this infinity scarf, you will chain 180, but to see better on the camera, I will do only smaller version. So hold your yarn and like so, wrap it around your 2 fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook and release. And this is your slip knot. So go ahead and chain 180 for your infinity scarf. For this sample piece, I will chain only 40. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and chain 180. So for this sample piece, I chained 40 so you can see better on the camera. So go ahead and chain 180. Now, once you have your chain, you are going to make sure it's not twisted, and you will go down like so. Then you will turn it this way. So your V's will be on top all the way around, like so. Now we are going to slip stitch into this very first stitch. Insert your hook like so, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop you had on your hook, like so. Now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, like so. So we chain 3, and now we'll be placing double crochet in every stitch around. Now, so your chain has got front and back loop, as you can see, your V's, and we will be working under this right here. So no under this one here, you'll be working under this one at the bottom here, closer to us. So find the next stitch here, or chain, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, like so. Now find the next V, which is here, and work double crochet. And again, yarn over, insert, and you will work like so all the way around, placing double crochet in every stitch around. Once you are somewhere here, I show you how to finish this round. And I am nearly at the end, and as you can see, I have last stitch left here. And now we will slip stitch on top of this chain of 3. 1, 2 and 3. And on top you will insert your hook like so, pull through and pull through like so. Now we are going to chain 3 again. 1, 2 and 3, and we are ready to start round 2. For round 2 we will work front post double crochet, back post, front, back, and so on all the way around. Now, as you can see, there is our chain from round 1, so ignore that one. And you will work around this first double crochet front post. To do so, you are going to yarn over like so, and insert your hook like this, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And this is your first front post double crochet. Now we are going to do back post double crochet. To do back post, you are going to yarn over. You're gonna go from the back to the front, and like so. So you will have this double crochet like this. Now yarn over and pull through slowly up like this. pull through 2 and pull through 2 to finish your back post double crochet. Now we are going to do front post again. Yarn over, push this double crochet forward like so, yarn over, bring it up, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2 like so. So front post, back post, front post. Next one will be back post. And again, to do back post, you are going to yarn over, go from the back like so. So you will push this double crochet back like so, yarn over, pull through, bring it up, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2 like so. Now front post, and I like to go a little bit higher. Just pull this loop a little bit as you work on your double crochet. As you can see, it's looking much nicer. So front post, next one will be back post. Yarn over, pull through, front post and back post, front post and back post. So continue like so, working front post, back post, front post, back post. Once you come somewhere here, I show you how to finish this round 2. And I am finishing this round 2 and I have front post, and now I'm going to do back post like so. Now you are going to slip stitch on top of this chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, insert your hook like so and slip stitch like this. Now you are going to chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and we are ready to start row 3. For row 3, as you can see, we will start again with front post double crochet. So yarn over, where is your front post? You will do again front post. Where is your back post? You will do back post. So in each front post you will do front post, in each back post you will do back post, and you will be repeating like so. So you'll be repeating in this row 3 exactly the same over and over again for each round. So where was your front post? You will do your front post. Where was your back post? You'll be working on your back post, and so on. So you'll be working like so for as many rounds as you want for your infinity scarf. Back post, front post, back post and front post. And I am finishing my round 3, and I have front post left here and back post like so. And now you will slip stitch again on top of this chain of 3 and you will finish each round like so. And also you will start each round with chain of 3. So for round 4 we chain 3 again, and again as you can see you will start with front post, next one will be back post, front back front back front back front back, and so on all the way around. So front post here and back post, front post, and so on. So you'll be working like so on your infinity scarf. As you can see, it's looking amazing. So you will do as many rounds as you like for the width of your infinity scarf. You can go wider, you can do less rounds than me. It's totally up to you. Also, this way you can make hats or cuffs and also leg warmers. This is how you are going to work on your infinity scarf. So you will work front, back, front, back, front, back. Once you come to your chain of 3, you will slip stitch on top of this chain of 3 and start again with the front post, and then continue back post, front, back, and so on. I have just finished my back post here. I am going to slip stitch on top of this chain of 3. And now if you are happy with the width, you are going to chain 1 and we are going to fasten off. Leave this end longer so you can hide it later on and fasten off. Hide the end. And also the starting end as well. And as you can see, this is my right side and this is my wrong side, but they look very similar, so it doesn't matter which one is your right side because they both sides are looking amazing. So I'm going to hide this end. And this is it. This is our beautiful infinity scarf. So you will wear it like so. So you place it on your neck and then you will simply twist it and you will have it like so around your neck. Looking amazing. And this is it. This is our beautiful infinity scarf or neck warmer completed. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from me, Sylvia. And please don't forget to find me on social medias. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching.